Am I the a-hole for having a snack with my brother in SEL after she had made a thoughtless remark about my wife? My wife, our 1-year-old son, and I were at my older brother's home yesterday for dinner. I used to visit them often before I was married, but even now we try to visit each other once a month and are generally on cordial terms. During dinner, my SIL made a remark about my wife's bag that I had bought for our anniversary. My wife seemed happy about that, and everything was going well. My SEL then compared it to my wallet, which is pretty old and worn, but I like it because my dad gave it to me 11 years ago when I left for college, and told my wife she should make me shop for myself too. I said I liked my wallet. I've heard comments about it, and I just laugh it off. She then said something that basically translates to, one person earns, and another person spends. I felt uncomfortable about it, but my wife looked totally pissed off. I tried to change the topic, but my wife said she takes care of our son, maintains our house while I work, decorated our house from scratch, all true, and I routinely thank her for it. My SIL said it was a joke, but within a few minutes my wife just said she wasn't feeling well and we went back. During the drive back and when we came back home, she made it very clear that she won't be keeping any contact with her until she gets a clear apology. Today, my brother called and suggested we grab a bite to eat. I said sure. The way he said it, it really seemed like it was just the two of us. My wife also had no issues with that. I thought my brother was going to discuss a way for us to meet or something so my SIL and my wife could patch things up. When I went there, my SIL was there too. While we were eating, they gave me her POV, that it was a lighthearted comment and my wife was blowing it out of proportion. I defended my wife too, and said she definitely feels it was out of line. When I came back home and my wife learned she was there too, she got really upset. She said if my SIL wasn't prepared to render an apology, then I should have left, and that I betrayed her by having food with them. I don't see it that way. I was really trying to fix everything in good faith. Am I the a-hole?